I need a miracle.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NichelleSade back here with another video for you guys. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a Marshalls / TJ Maxx haul. I think our TJ Maxx and Marshalls opened either last week or a couple of days ago. I'm not really sure, but I went kind of last minute and it was empty. But I got whatever I'd seen and whatever I thought I needed. TJ Maxx and Marshalls is just like the beauty supply store. If you haven't checked out that video that I did, a beauty supply store haul, make sure you check that out. I'll have it up here, so watch that after you watch this video. But anyways, it's just like the beauty supply store, and you go in there thinking you need something, you get that, but then you end up finding other stuff that you don't need but you need, and you might not ever use it, but in your head you're gonna use it. That's how it goes for TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but I love it. I was gonna go to Home Goods, but I don't know, I got sidetracked and I didn't end up going. Before we get into this video, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you are subscribing. We're almost at 200 subscribers. Right now we have 175 subscribers, so make sure you're subscribing. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do a giveaway. I don't know if I want to do a giveaway before the 200 or after we hit 200. Make sure you're subscribing to this channel so you can see more. On my channel you'll find all things fashion, inspiration, and lifestyle. I kind of like this look, but then again I don't really know what's going on, but it is what it is. If you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you're doing so at NichelleSade. That is my personal Instagram. You'll see all my outfits, all my updates, polls, questions, everything I have for you guys is on that Instagram, so make sure you follow me at NichelleSade. Another thing before we get into this haul, if you have not checked out the new art series here on this channel, then you're missing out. You need to go check it out. The first 2 episodes are out right now. I'll have it up here. I have the playlist so you guys can tune into that. It's very good. I got some good feedback. I've been getting great feedback on my art, and with the new art series Black that I started here on this YouTube channel. Like I said, make sure you guys are checking it out. Great things are in the works with the whole art thing. Just, you don't want to miss out on this journey, so make sure you're coming along with us. For the art series, I will be having a new episode out this week, so it's going to be 2 videos this week. Make sure you're tuning into both. Make sure you're liking, commenting, and sharing both videos, showing some love. Also, make sure on all my videos that you're checking the description box so you can find ways that you can help during this time for the Black Lives movement. It's more than a movement, it's a lifestyle, so make sure you are checking down below for information on things you can do, like signing petitions, donating, movies you can watch, books you can read, all that sort. If you have any suggestions that I can add to the description box, like movies you've seen that's not down below, or books that you read that's not down below, or petitions that you signed that you think others will be interested in signing, or that you think are helpful, or donation sites, comment down below so people can see them and so I can add them to my description box. And I thank you and I love you guys. I'm sending you love all over the place. Let's get into this video. I kind of look like a dinosaur doing that video, but anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, let's get into this. I need both of my shoulders out. Okay, so this is the basket right here. This is what we're about to go through, and this is from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So I'm just gonna take out whatever comes first out the basket, and I'll tell you guys if it's from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I'm gonna try to make this quick for you guys. So the first thing are these sponges for the house. These are from Marshalls. It's just these 3. Next thing that I got is this Jade beauty roller set. It comes with a mini roller and a regular roller. Why did I say motor? It comes with a mini roller and then this regular motor. I don't know what's going on with me talking today, but it's not working out right. Let's get it together. Okay. Alright guys, so like I was saying, I got this Jade beauty roller set. It comes with a mini roller and then a regular roller as well. It says made with natural crystal stone and it's by Precision Beauty. This one is from Marshalls. And yes, I had a Jade roller but it broke. It fell and it broke, but I love these to lock in the moisture after you do your skincare routine. This is probably why my face is breaking out, because I don't have one. But I love these. You put it, this is a little trick. Let me give you a little trick. If you haven't used this, look it up. It's really good. I like the way it feels, and I think it works. Whenever you're about to do your face, put this in the freezer for however long. And sometimes I forget it and leave it overnight, but put it in the freezer and it gets really cold. It is better for you to roll your skin with, and it just locks in all your moisture. It stimulates your blood cells, all that. It gets your blood flowing. Everything is super good. I love it. It feels great. It's relaxing. Like, I would just lay in the bed and roll my face, put it in the car with me and roll my face while I'm driving. I just love it. First of all, let's do this YouTube trick. I realize that I tend to talk a lot during hauls. I don't know why. I feel like I have to explain everything, but I'm gonna try to just zip through all this stuff because I don't want this to be a long video. Next thing I got is this green tea deep cleansing foam by Cala, purifying and revitalizing. It is aloe vera. Can you guys see? This one is from TJ Maxx. The next thing I got is this candle right here. It is from Sensational White Magnolia Natural Coconut Wax Blend Candle. And it smells super fresh. I love fresh scented candles and real chill vibes. I don't like all that sweet stuff. But this is from Marshall's, and I love it. I love candles. I was running out of candles, so I needed them. Another candle I have is from Marshall's, and it's called Soothe the Soul by Taking Some Time Off for Yourself, and it's by MAXX. Hygie. This is from Marshall's. Now that I smell this, it smells like hair grease kind of. I have this True Glow battery operated facial brush for a beautiful glow. Water resistance is this. I never use a facial brush. I usually just do my hand, but I think I really need, I told you guys in probably the past videos, recent videos, that my face is breaking out a lot. So we know that breakouts usually come from probably what you eat, dirt, bacteria, that type of thing. So how do you get rid of that? I need to scrub my face more. Not saying I don't already, but like, I think a brush will do justice or help out in some type of way. Let me know if you guys heard anything about this. It's by the brand Conair. I don't know. This is the best one that I've seen when I was in TJ Maxx and Marshall's. So I got this one. I'll keep you guys updated. It says use with your favorite cleanser, 360 rotating brush head, and it looks like it comes with another brush head as well. So I'm excited about using this. The next thing that I got is this Shea Moisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Detoxifying Micellar Water with Aloe. Honestly, I just got this. I don't know why. Can't even lie to you. This is from Marshall's. Thing that I got is this Bamboo Naturals Mini Scrub Brush. We recently got a waffle maker, and so cleaning the waffle maker has been a hassle, so I thought this brush would help out a little to get into the little creases and stuff like that. So I got this, and I thought it was super cute, and I just picked this up. This is from Marshall's. Super cute. I love it. Next thing that I got is, I didn't even realize this was the same brand as the cleansing wash, is the Cala Aloe Vera Makeup Remover Cleansing Tissue. I haven't used makeup wipes in so long. I really just be washing my face in the shower and stuff like that. So I needed some makeup wipes, and I got these. It comes with 60 sheets, and it gently cleanses and removes makeup, soothing and moisturizing. And I got this from Marshall's. Hopefully they're good. The next thing that I got is this Nature Love Aromatherapy hand cream, lavender and coconut oil. I love having hand cream on me, especially now since we have to keep using sanitizer when we're out and washing our hands and all that stuff. Your hands can get really dry. Here I am still telling stories when I said I was gonna make this quick. Anyways, here is this hand cream. I didn't even smell this in the store. That's crazy. I just picked it up, but it smells good. Oh, I can't smell it. I'm lying, y'all. I'm lying to y'all in y'all face. There's a scent on it, but I can smell it a little bit. we'll see how this goes. The next thing I got are these hair ties. It's kind of hard to show stuff without telling the stories on why you bought it. As these scrunchies, I have a hairstyle that I want to achieve with these, well, certain type of scrunchie, and these look like it'll work for that hairstyle, so we'll see. And these are cute. It's like a zebra print, I don't know what kind of print, polka dot, 2 different polka dots, and then a black, solid black. So I think these are cute, and you guys know I'm real basic with it, so these are super cute, and these are from Marshall's. The next thing I got is this belt. I thought this was so cute. This is a Vince Camuto belt, and it's like gold detailing. It says Vince Camuto on it, and then it has the logo right here, and it's just a belt. This is from Marshall's, and it was only $10, so I had to get it. Next thing that I got is this face serum skin repair with tea tree oil and vitamin E by Skin Science. Let me know if you guys know anything about this. Before I use this stuff, I usually do look it up online, even when I'm in the store and stuff like that, just to see what I'm buying, so I'm not wasting my money. But this is from Marshall's. Let me know if you guys use this, and if you have any reviews, good, bad reviews, let me know. What I got is this sponge holder for the kitchen. We needed a new one. The other one was old, so I just got this one. I picked this one up. This is from Marshall's. Most of my stuff came from Marshall's. I went to TJ Maxx first. The shelves were empty. If your Marshall's or TJ Maxx has not opened, when they open, make sure you are the first one there, because the shelves gonna be empty, like empty. But I got this. This is super cute. The next thing that I got is this Clean Beauty Witch Hazel clarifying facial toner with apple cider vinegar. There we go. And next we have another candle. It's by DW Home. I love DW Home. Okay. I love DW Home. This is sweet and green and floral. The sweet aroma of orange flowers and soft white peaches embraced with a bouquet of white gardenia petals. Wow. That sounds very poetic. Yes. For my candles, so let me show you the other thing. For my candles, I love aesthetically pleasing looks on them. So yes, the smell is super nice, and that's why I kind of like soft smells and, you know, basic smells, because the packaging is always so cute and minimum, and I just love it, how clean it looks, super cute. It just really matches my aesthetic. Like, look at my candles. I can take pictures with these babies. Oh, that might be a nice thumbnail. Ooh. Like, it matches my aesthetic so well. Loser, happened loser. Last but not least is this wickered basket. Y'all see how big this is. But I was just wasting time and roaming the store like everyone else does in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. But from Marshalls I found this, and it had a red sticker on it, so it was on sale. It was originally $20, and then it went to $16. So I had to get it, and I need this because I'm running out of storage for my clothes and everything else in my room. I don't have no storage, so I thought this would help me with it, and it matches my aesthetic. If it don't match my aesthetic, I can't buy it. Throughout this haul, I didn't really say the pricing because if you know TJ Maxx and Marshalls, Home Goods, all those prices just vary, and it's kind of, it's not a lot of duplicates in the store. Like, it's a hit or miss, and sometimes it'll be one left or stuff like that, and the pricing just varies. So and sometimes you can find stuff in clearance. So I didn't tell the pricing of everything because this is different for everything in the store, literally. But if you do want to know a price or whatever details on it, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. I am excited with what I got. I'm so mad that I went late because I know I could have found some more stuff. They didn't have no elephants, y'all. Yeah, I know I love elephants. They didn't have no elephants. That's why I wish I would have went to Home Goods. I'll probably go during the week just to roam around and stuff like that. If I do go to Home Goods and I find some more stuff, let me know if you guys would like a haul on basically just a Home Goods haul, what I got from Home Goods. or I don't know, I might go to a few other stores. Just let me know if you guys like these type of hauls. Not really, well, I guess there's some fashion stuff, but it's more like lifestyle stuff. Let me know if you like these type of hauls. I'll do some more for you guys from different stores, maybe IKEA, things like that, thrift. Oh, I'm so ready to go to the thrift store. But let me know if you guys like these type of videos, and I'll be happy to do them for you. Like I said in the beginning of this video, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you are subscribing. Hit that red subscribe button, turn on the notifications bell so you're going to alert on the next time I upload. We are almost at 200 subscribers. We are at 175. So tell your friends, tell whoever, tell your circle, tell your square, your rectangle, whatever you got little going on with your little circles. Tell them, let them know to subscribe to my channel so we can get to 200 and we can do that giveaway and get it popping and making more videos. But make sure you are subscribing, telling other people to subscribe so we can get this journey going. So like I said, I'm going to be having another video this week. It's going to be episode 3 of the art series. Make sure you're tuning into that. But however, I am planning another video for next week, and it's gonna be like supporting black businesses and doing that. So doing a haul with black businesses that I ordered from. I already ordered from like 4 or 5, I believe. Maybe 4, I don't know, or 5, I don't know, somewhere around there. But if you do know of a black business that involves fashion inspiration or lifestyle, it matches my aesthetic, it aligns with me, something you think I'd like, comment below, send me a DM, send me a message, a text message, whatever you want to do. Send me the information so I can support. I'm into it all. Let me know all the information. This video has come to an end. We're all set. That was the end of the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it once again. I can't wait to see you in my next video so we can learn, love, and grow. I don't know why I just did that. Oh my god. I can't wait to see you in my next video so we can learn, love, and grow together.
Keep my care for my soul and cleanse my spirit. Pray 'cause I'm ready for the